Imagine you're standing on a stage and delivering a speech, and people, the participants, are not just listening to you, they're getting motivated, they're learning something new from you. When we talk about personal development, public speaking is the most essential skill an individual should have. See, you see, great leaders, great speakers, they have great idea. And if you work on your particular idea, you can create miracles in your life. But what if you are not able to express your words? What if you are not able to express your idea in front of 10 people, in front of 15 people, or in a auditorium, in a hall, in a public meeting? So, this skill is very important. Expressing your ideas, coming on stage and delivering, coming on stage and expressing what is going in your mind. Myself, Anup Sonawane, I am an NLP coach and mind expert, working as a motivational speaker from last 8 to 9 years. So, when I deliver sessions in school, organizations, colleges, universities, I am making an impact on the stage. I am helping people to achieve what they want. Imagine a speech, a word, a sentence when you are delivering on the stage and someone is listening, getting inspired. Wow, this can happen with you also. I'm conducting a 2 days public speaking workshop which will help you to achieve what you want. In this workshop, we will see how to kill the stage fear and go on the stage and talk effortlessly. How to start your speech, how to end your speech, what is the importance of pauses, what is the importance of emotions in your voice, where to raise your voice, where to lower your voice, how to handle the public, how to build a rapport with your audience, how to keep everyone interested till end of the session. So these are the activities, and there are n number of activities we are doing in this 2 days workshop, which will help you to start your public speaking career. See you on the other side. Thank you.